Okay. I think we should just start now. It's 58 people, but we can't help. All right. So, Parth, can you do me a favor? If you can share the document that I've just uploaded on the files, class materials, this exercise 1 and 2. It's a doc file.
On the chat box, or
No, in the files tab.
I mean, I'm asking if you want me to share it on the chat box or
No,
present
no,
it
no.
on the screen.
Just present it so that we can.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
1 second. Is it visible?
It's coming up 1 second. Yeah, it's visible now. All right. So hi all. So today we're going to do two exercises, and these are going to be done in teams. We'll make how many students are there? About 66. So if we make 16 groups, we'll have about 4 or 5 students per group, which is a good number. Now, the way this is to be done is they're very simple exercises. You have to think and discuss a little. So, as you can see, exercise 1 is to identify arguments and conclusions, which means that if you look at the first one, what you have to do is look at each of these sentences uh, and decide if it's an argument or not. And if it is an argument, you have to highlight the conclusion. Okay, that's all you have to do. They are not as straightforward as they seem. Some of them are a little tricky, so that's the reason why the discussion is important. Parth, if you can scroll down, I'll just show you the second exercise. Yeah, and the second exercise is you will be given a conclusion, and you have to identify what are the reasons for that conclusion, or what qualifies as a valid reason for that conclusion. Valid reason doesn't mean that it has to be factually correct. It means that the conclusion has to follow from the reasons. So what you do in this one is that you read the conclusion, and then you highlight which one of the options is the valid reason for that conclusion. All right. Again, this will happen with after a discussion. Now, for both these exercises, we are going to give you 35 minutes. Hmm? And so if we start at 1:40, maybe we meet again at 2:15, let's say. Hmm? And 2:15, then we'll take about 15-20 minutes to discuss some of these, because it may, there may be differences of views on this. All right. So this is it. Now, what we'll do is Parth will start another meeting. All right. All of you will join that meeting, and then Parth will break you up into different teams, different classrooms. Okay. When that
I've
happens,
already started a meeting. It's called Room 1. People can
okay.
just join there. I'll
Yeah.
break them up.
Wait. Just hang on. So join that group. Join that other meeting. Parth will put you into classrooms. It will happen automatically. Then download this file from the Files tab. You can make the edits on it, and then create a new folder called Submissions, and just upload your submissions on that. Please mention your team names, the names of the team members who are part of that discussion of that room. All right, so that so that it also becomes a submission, and then we meet again at 2:15, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so Parth, you have started the meeting. Okay, just join the other one, and we'll meet again at 2:15 here. I'll keep this meeting on. I just won't be. I mean, it'll be muted, but we'll meet again at 2:15. I'm stopping. I'll stop the recording now. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.